Hi, I'm Claire with River Road Farm and welcome to It's All About the Beef. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest dinner using a flat iron steak. It's a salad with a seasoned steak on top. So first, I'm going to take it out of its container. And these flat irons are cut so they're pretty much just one person, individual steaks. Hopefully you can eat a lot of beef because they're good size. But in my house, we can all eat our own. And I'm just going to season it with some salt and pepper. Cracked pepper. Some salt. Do that again on this one. And then I also put on it some herbes de Provence, just to give it a little herby flavor to go on the salad. And I just push it in with my palm. And then we're gonna get this pan super hot. So this stove's called an Aga, and it's what I cook on. It's always on, and this is about 800 degrees. So it shouldn't take long for it to get really hot. And I'm just gonna put these steaks seasoned down and then season them again in the pan. So while that's happening, I can go ahead and put some of the lettuces. I just get this pre-made lettuce because it's Monday night and no one's got energy to really do a whole lot of cooking. So we're gonna do that. Make it pretty. And the other thing I like to do are these carrot ribbons. So you just take the carrot and you put it on a dish towel clean, and then you've got your ribbon with the peeler. And I put them in cold water. It kind of just crisps them up again. And put them in there, and then we can drain them. Shake, shake, shake. It's kind of like noodles. I'm going to put these everywhere. Kind of pretty. Dresses it up. Then, I think these will be ready. I just hear the sizzle. Now we're going to season that side. A little more salt. And I'm not going to put any more of the herbes de Provence because I really want the steak, that great flavor that is from grass-fed beef, to come through. It has a flavor, and to me it's just earthy and delicious. So I don't want to put too much on it, but just enough to brighten it up and make it blend with the salad really well. So while that's cooking, I'm going to take these little small cucumbers. I think they're great for salad. And I'm just gonna put those in. So, one per person. And I'm hoping maybe I can grow these on the farm. We'll see. Probably for next summer. It's a little late in the season right now. But these figs came from our trees. And I'm so happy to find them because I think I love foraging on my farm. It gives me such joy to say, hey, this all came from River Road Farm. And this is all I could find today, were 2 little figs. But hopefully in another week, I will have a tree full of figs. And the tomatoes are done, and this was all I could find. But we will appreciate whatever we can get. So that's on there. And I'm gonna put some olive oil on the salad. And I can smell that steak. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Let's take a look at it. Where did I put my tongs? Yeah, it's got a nice, it's browning, and that's what you want. I push it down just to get the edges going. And I don't put any oil in the pan. It doesn't really need it. So the next thing I'm gonna do is, again with this stove, we usually cook inside the aga. And it's a deep oven. And when I put it in here, all the smoke and stuff goes up and out that pipe. So that's the main reason I put it in there, so my kitchen won't get smoky. And while that's cooking, and clean up, and I'm gonna put some vinegar. I've got white balsamic vinegar. It's not as heavy, and because it's not fall yet, I think I can still get away with a little white balsamic. I put that on there. I mean, can you guys see how fast this is coming together? I'm gonna have dinner as soon as that's done. And while it was cooking, I was just fixing the salad. And pepper. And that is about it. I might have to munch on that later. But let's pull that here. Get ready for the steaks to come out. So at River Road Farm, we are working on our own gardens. We had gardens in the past. We are refreshing them. We're going to do an organic garden. And hopefully, as these cooking shows keep coming to you, we will be using a lot more of our own vegetables. I'm disappointed that I don't have a lot today for you. That's from River Road Farm, but it's all about the beef. So that's the most important aspect of tonight's dinner. So let's see how it's doing. It's sizzling in here, and it smells so good. I'm just gonna let it rest for a little bit. Check the underside. While the pan's still hot, I can just sear those edges. Can you hear that? Okay. This oven is hot. We're just gonna let it cool down. And knowing my husband, when he gets home, he's gonna get a Cabernet out, and we'll just sit out on the porch and enjoy this with our wine. And I usually put it right up there, but I'm going to slice it so you guys can see how it looks. Okay. Juicy, delicious, yum. Put that there. Put those on there, and then I'll leave that one nestled in there. Easy, fast, and so delicious. And good for you. Thank you for joining me.